Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just here at this shop, just about to do a consumer unit swap over. One of the issues that I have here is the cupboard that's there. It's quite small for a 6-way dual consumer unit, dual RCD consumer unit. But luckily I've got the RCBO 6-way, which is a lot smaller than the dual RCD one. So I'll just see what happens. I'm gonna have to put that in. Also, there's a gas and the water bonding's missing. Just gonna have to raise the issue with the landlord, and just gonna have to sort it out because I've got to do a full EICR on it. Thank you guys. See you at the job. They're about approximately just over 30 years old. Also, there's a incoming electric. It's so old. It's a very old wire. It's a 60 amp. It's supposed to have been put in when the house was built. Yeah. Also, what I've noticed is there's no gas bonding or the water bonding. This is what the gas meter is. As you can see, there's no bonding here, so I'll have to sort that out. But it's not far from where the electric meter is. Yeah, so usually what happens is whenever a fuse blows on them, some tenants or the people don't know the difference between the 6 amps and the higher amperage, so whatever they find in front of them, that's what they normally put in, which is not safe at all. I'm just going to do a swap over with the RCBO small board. The cupboard is so small. I was going to put the dual RCD 6-way, but it's impossible to get it in there. I just don't want to damage this. So I'm just going to have to go with the RCBO board. It's a 5-way. Luckily I had the spare one in my van. Just going to throw that in. Also, before I get to that stage, I'll open that up. I'll have to do a full test, see if there's any existing faults inside the house. Usually when you're doing something like that swap over and you put a new board, RCB or RCD, if there's a fault, it picks it up. It's a nightmare, but touch wood, we don't come across this. Hello guys, just at my local wholesaler. This is where I buy most of my electrical stuff. I've been coming here for a long time. These guys are so helpful, it's unbelievable. I've got a special relationship with these guys. Guys, if you ever need any electrical, anything to do with electric, don't forget where to come. I mean, this is the place. It's Harbour Electrical Service. Just came here to buy 10mm cable for the gas bonding and the clamp as well. Yeah, thank you guys. Ready?